this healing thing come now, I say, boy, diabetes at the age of 28. And I say, boy, I come forward now, I say, yo, you know what? I God Almighty run earth and life. You know? So the only way me can heal myself, I have to go back to myself, the inner being, the inner strength, which is God, and the power, and the inner spirit, and the inner vice. So right there, so now, the diabetes take a hold on me. Sex drive, eyesight, I couldn't even see if you come near me at night time. And you know, I said, boy, we can't give up, you know. I want to live. And I say, all right, the only way me can get better, I have to go back to who create me and who bring me in this universe, which is the cosmic energy, which is God Almighty.
Yeah.
And I say, all right, God, boy, I spend nearly 100,000 a doctor to get pill, then put injection needle on me, give me, I think, them B12, liquid B12, and it never worked.
Wow.
I say, well, you can have your money and it never works, so you know what? The healer is God, the bottom line. So all you people that watch this, remember, on a money heal you is your livity heal you, your relationship between you and your inner being, which is God Almighty.
True.
The God and the Goddess. See? So that's what I'm going to say, why, me not sleep for 1 month straight, me not sleep. Because I get up and urinate all through the night. Every time I want to sleep, I want to urinate. And that's the thing with them called sleeping disorder. And it take me to a thing called insanity, where I start lose mind and I hear different voice, and me they close to being a madman. And I just, all right, on my bunk spot now, I say, all right, God, and them say confession is good for the what?
Soul.
Soul. So I go back to myself and say, no, I have to go confess to you, know, God, and you are the creator and you are the healer, so you can free me. So I say, God, the only thing, I say, God, I never kill a man yet. I never hurt the people. The only thing when me know me do wrong is me have a relationship with the next man, woman, and I know say that wrong. So them things I not do again because I have sense now. So you have to give me a chance to live because I'm a young youth, just 28, I got 29. So
I'm ready to visit the 28 and I'm ready to visit the pearly gate.
All right, yes. So I'm ready now for hike again. And from this up, I take it on and I learn about herbal more and more every day. And learn what to eat, stop eat certain food. Because people want to get better and them don't want to give up certain food. They don't want to change. You have to change for get the gift of a life the right way. See?
Yardstyle Live.